Practice free D-MSS-DS-23 Real Questions for Dell Midrange Storage Solutions Design 2023 Exam. 1. Which are benefits of choosing the highest capacity flash drives when designing a Dell Unity XT all-flash system? A. Reduces maintenance and rebuild time. B. Enhances data security and system boot time. C. Lowers physical space, power, and cooling requirements. D. Decreases wear leveling, performance, and redundancy requirements. Answer: C. 2. Which low-latency workload type is a best practice for an all-SCM Dell PowerStore array? A. Backup workloads. B. Media streaming workloads. C. Small block workloads. D. Large block workloads. Answer: C. 3. Which task does the Environment Collection tool automate? A. Generation of support matrix compliance reports. B. Collection of host configuration data. C. Problem diagnosis and resolution. D. Migration planning. Answer: A. 4. Based on best practices, what should be the first step when designing a new Dell Unity XT solution? A. Gather impl.bin configuration file. B. Calculate the aggregate performance of all hardware. C. Run netstat on the host. D. Meet customer and obtain live optics report, if applicable. Answer: D. 5. What provides data analytics for Dell EMC midrange storage? A. eLab Advisor. B. Unisphere Central. C. DSM. D. Cloud IQ. Answer: D. 6. Which Dell EMC midrange storage platforms support NVMe SCM drives? A. PowerStore T and SC series only. B. PowerStore T and PowerStore X. C. PowerStore T, Unity XT, and SC series. D. PowerStore X, Unity XT, and SC series. Answer: B. 7. Which block resources are supported with Dell EMC Unity asynchronous replication? A. Consistency groups and file systems. B. VMFS and NFS data stores. C. LUNs and file systems. D. LUNs and VMFS data stores. Answer: D. 8. Which methods are available to migrate storage resources from one Dell PowerStore appliance to another within the same cluster? A. Assisted migration and live migrate. B. Migrate and assisted migration. C. Assisted migration and volume motion. D. Volume motion and live migrate. Answer: C. 9. What tools can be used to migrate block data from a legacy VNX array to a new Dell Unity XT array? A. SAN copy and PowerPath migration enabler. B. EM copy and SAN copy. C. PowerPath migration enabler and RSYNC. D. RSYNC and EM copy? Answer: A. 10. What is the purpose of the NVMe NVRAM drives in Dell PowerStore? A. Vaulting and read cache. B. Read and write cache. C. Read cache and metadata. D. Vaulting and write cache. Answer: D.